Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by extracting the full email header from a received message. That gives you IPs, mail servers, and routing info you can act on. Once done, paste the exact address into search engines and social platforms to catch profiles, posts, or public mentions tied to that address. Make sure to test common username variations and domain-specific searches. Sometimes the same handle appears on forums or portfolios. This first sweep reveals obvious links fast and sets up focused follow-ups. Next, escalate to dedicated people search services and public record databases to match names, phone numbers, or addresses tied to the email. Then cross-reference social profiles. Compare profile photos, friend lists, and repeated usernames to confirm identity. Small details often verify matches. Also query domain whois and company directories when the address is business-related, because that can produce a firm name or contact point. While you dig, log sources and confidence levels so you can weigh evidence objectively. Finish by deciding how to approach the person. If contact is appropriate, send a short, neutral message that includes verifiable context so they can confirm identity without exposing private details. Make sure to respect privacy and legal boundaries. Do not attempt hacking or harassment. If you find conflicting data, weigh the strongest evidence and document your steps. Troubleshooting tip. When results stall, step back, try alternate spellings or domains, broaden date ranges, and consider hiring a licensed investigator for complex cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.